Hi everyone, my name is Mandy Feuerbacher and I am the Executive Vice President of Consular Affairs at Argo. And for those of you that don't know what we do, we are the first company in the world made up of entirely former U.S. Government officials, consular officers who have done tens of thousands of visa interviews at U.S. embassies and consulates around the world. And so what we do now is we provide one-on-one guidance for clients who just want to make sure that they're fully prepared for this very important interview and make sure that they don't have any problems down the line traveling to the United States, whether that's for tourism or studies or to work here. So this is just a little bit about what we do, and you can find out more at argovisa.com. Today, what I'm going to talk about is a very serious issue. It is about visa revocations. So a visa revocation is when a person has previously had a U.S. visa, but something goes wrong and the U.S. government basically decides to revoke that visa, and you no longer have a right to travel to the U.S. And this year, we have seen a serious issue with this because there are about 4,000 to 5,000 Indian nationals who are either students in the United States or previously had a student visa, and they unfortunately paid for pre-employment training, which is a big no-no, they were in return they were able to get an EAD card to work in the U.S. and maybe a letter for their OPT. And so once the State Department and Customs and Border Patrol found out about this, they just blanket revoked the active visas of all of these individuals, which is a huge problem. So I just wanted everyone to know that at Argo, we are aware of this situation. We're here to help you. We understand how, nerve-wracking this can be, because when you've had a visa in the United States and you've planned, to have your education here or your career here, and you're figuring out whether or not, you want to stay maybe because you have a great opportunity, and to have that visa all of a sudden revoked can be a really stressful and terrifying situation, or to be turned around at the border and not be allowed to come into the United States. And so just wanted you to know that we're aware of the situation, and as a former consular officer, I have seen a lot of situations involving revoked visas, and we take the situation very seriously as well when I worked at the Department of State. So, and here's how Argo can help. We can help you assess your situation to understand exactly what happened, why it happened, and, to get a sense for what your next steps can be and how we can be the most prepared to hopefully get you a good result. Sometimes it'll involve taking a look at the paperwork that you got to see if maybe you got a 5-year ban from Customs and Border Patrol, CBP. Other times, maybe you don't have a ban, but you know that you're going to be facing some tough questions at your next visa interview at your home embassy or consulate. And so it's really, really important that you are prepared for that interview, because you will probably be grilled. And so it is more important than ever to talk to experts who really understand this process from behind the scenes, to make sure that you're prepared and, make sure that you are presenting your situation in a way that can be best understood by the consular officer, because sometimes these interviews don't last very long. So you don't want to be caught off guard. So I just wanted to let you know that, we know the situation about these visas. I think the companies have been Integra Technologies, AZ Tech Technologies. We're following the issues, and we're here to help you understand the process and what you're up against. So if you have any questions at all, you can always find out more information about us at argovisa.com, or if you have a special link to do a face-to-face one-on-one consultation with us, go ahead and sign up, and we'll definitely help you during this very stressful time. If you have any additional questions, you can always email us at support@argovisa.com so that we can help you best prepare. So thanks everybody for listening, and our Argo officers are always standing by to help you with your difficult visa interview questions. And also please be aware that we also do help with adjustment of status interviews at USCIS. Consular officers, while working for the State Department, definitely work very closely with our USCIS colleagues, and we understand quite a bit about adjustment of status interviews as well. So please email us or look us up on argovisa.com, and we look forward to helping you. Thank you so much.